Okay, we want to explain grow and shrink selection. In this menu, you have grow and select. Undock that. Here is the grow and shrink selection. For example, I select this polygon here and I want to grow my selection around that polygon bigger, bigger, and bigger. You can simply click on a grow selection. As you can see, it grows the selection to all. Vice versa, you can shrink the selection. Okay, it has just one setting here. You can click on this gear, grow using edge only. As you can see, if we want to grow in this algorithm, it's shrink in all direction. As you can see, grow once. If we active this only use edge, as you can see, if you hit the grow, it's just grow at these edges, only grow at this edge, not those polygon. Grow just only in these edges, and you can grow. Okay, this is algorithm. It's just grow using edge only. And grow selection is, for example, we hit control click and extrude, for example, the model here, and grow selection, going to grow selection and deactivate using edge. And as you can see, if it grow, it's grow selection the polygon in this direction and going to the button and grow again. You can use it in a grow shrink in a complex model to use to selecting your desired area very fast. Hello my friends, to continue these tutorials on YouTube, subscribe us, like us, and hit the bell icon. And now you will be alerted about all of the amazing videos that we release. Hello there, I'm Hamid RT from TutorialCells. I'm electrical engineer and software instructor. I love teaching and learning. In this channel, we intend to produce free tutorials on softwares, games, and other sciences. But our main focus is on making tutorials for softwares. We are currently changing our policies to protect copyright law and respect the work of others. In the first step, we will teach only free software. Then, after purchasing commercial and official versions of the software and obtaining the permission from the software companies, we will record a tutorial for those softwares. So we start with the free software that is free for everyone to use. Because of the strict rules of the companies and YouTube, even if we use trial version of commercial software, we will still face legal issues in future for monetizing videos on YouTube. So, stay tuned for our new tutorial with free, powerful, and functional software. Thank you very much. Hello my friends, to continue these tutorials on YouTube, subscribe us, like us, and hit the bell icon. And now you will be alerted about all of the amazing videos that we release.